What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. All of the links for the news are in the description below if you want to check it out. Now let's take a look at our daily crypto news. First up is from U.Today, 200 million crypto exploit, Bitcoin drops below 23,000, what's happening? So another event that disrupted the entire industry is one of the biggest exploit we saw in the last few months. The Nomad bridge faced a critical issue. More than 40 addresses grab around 150 million worth of cryptocurrency. White hat hackers acquired 8.2 million and ENS names got around 6 million. Such a large exploit affected users from different networks including Cardano and Ethereum. Some Cardano holders used various Cardano-based assets to get MAD USDC stablecoin, which was drained thanks to the exploit. The issue that allowed the draining of funds from the bridge was found in the replica smart contract that marked invalid contract interactions as valid ones and allowed spoofing messages. So attackers simply copy-paste transactions and drain the bridge. The problem for most attackers is that on-chain analysts had already tracked and marked almost every wallet that participated in the breach. Some ENS address had been marked from the beginning, basically revealing the identity of the hackers behind them. So the last highlighted that we have here, the project's management urges users to become white hat hackers and return funds for 20% reward, which would be around 200,000 per 1 million stolen. All right. So they are urging the hackers uh, to be a white hat hackers. So basically, per 100 million, they will get 200,000 per stolen um, crypto value. So wow, that's a lot of money, $200 million. Oh, let's go to our next news. So this is from business.inquirer.net. US crypto firm Nomad hit by 190 million TEP. So this is related to the previous one. The highest targeted Nomad's bridge, a tool which allow users to transfer tokens between blockchains. So blockchain bridges have increasingly become the target of thefts, which have long plagued the crypto sector. Over 1 billion has been stolen from bridges so far in 2020. Wow, 1 billion! According to London-based blockchain analytics firm Elliptic. So in June, US crypto firm Harmony said that thieves stole around 100 million worth of tokens from its Horizon Bridge product. In March, hackers stole around 615 million worth of cryptocurrency from Ronin Bridge. Oh no, Ronin Bridge. Used to transfer crypto in and out of the game Axie Infinity. So I'm familiar with Ronin because I played before Axie Infinity also. The United States linked North Korean hackers to the theft. Wow. Wow. They are linking it to North Korea. Okay. So Nomad described itself as security first business, which would keep users' funds safe. Well, I don't know about keeping the funds safe from Nomad, but currently breached and being hacked. Oh wow, that's a lot of money, and there's a lot of hackers. Hackers, don't do this. Give back the money. All right. Um, Filecoin, the latest crypto, soar in the market bounce. So this is our next news. This is coming from CryptoBriefing.com. So the decentralized storage network's FIL token has jumped 19.4% today, outpacing most major crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So in the last few days, I've been watching, I've been showing you guys daily updates. And when I recorded that price update, what's the current price during that recording? And usually I see in the last 24-hour changes or last 7 days uptrend, Filecoin is in the top 3. So yeah, this is not new for me, but I just want to cover this in our current news for today. Going back, several other tokens, including Polkadot, Kusama, have also rallied. So though Filecoin is today's strongest performer on crypto top 100, per CoinGecko data, it's currently trading at 9.90 $9.90 up to 75% over the past week. All right. The upstick comes during the volatile period in the crypto market. Prices have trended down for months amid uh, macroeconomic tensions. Market exhaustion and the collapse of giants like Terra, Three Arrows Capital, but the market started to show hints of recovery in July. So last week, the Federal Reserve hiked interest rates by another 75 basis points, while the Bureau of Economic Analysis revealed that the U.S. economy had shrunk for a second consecutive quarter, signaling the start of a technical recession. While such developments would typically be seen as negative risk on sentiment, the crypto market soared last week, suggesting that the market may have impact price the macro uncertainty. All right. Our next one here is from analyticsinsight.net. Latest trending crypto gems. So Uniglo.io or Glo or GLO, Ethereum Classic or ET, and EOS. All right. So there are three crypto gems here that is being shared by analytics.net. So thousands of cryptocurrencies are buying for the attention of investors. And the process of selecting which ones to use or invest in can be challenging, especially if you do not have any kind of background in digital currencies or decentralized finance or DeFi. So here we identified our top 3 trending crypto gems to help narrow your search. So this being shared by Analytics Insight.net. Their first selection is Uniglo.io. This crypto is a new DeFi project that is based on Ethereum. It is a multi-asset backed treasury that will fund the buying of exciting assets such as high growth digital currencies and rare non-fungible tokens or NFTs. But the Uniglow Community Vault, in which the assets will be housed, will also include digitized real-world collectibles such as fine wine, wow, and high-end watches. Ooh. As you know, I covered high-end watches. It's crypto somehow affects the the in the industry for high-end watches. So which are less volatile assets. So watches and fine wine. So another facet unique to this project is its ultra burn mechanism, which is a burn model added on top of the standard token burn. It is similar to what is more commonly known as buyback and burn. So how usually I saw this kind of term in NFT. However, what will be used to buy back GLO tokens from the market are the profits generated in connection to the vault, right? So the second pick from analyticsinsight.net is a blockchain-based distributed computing platform, which is Ethereum Classic. So notably, it shares the same name as the second biggest crypto player. And while the two are related, they are not the same. According to an analyst, a key difference between the two is that ETC is traded in a lesser capacity and is a speculative digital asset with a fixed supply. All right. And then the third selection is EOS, which is a popular blockchain-based platform that facilitates the development of decentralized application or dApps. EOS is highly scalable and can perform 1 million transactions per second. Right? Going to the next news. This is coming from CNBC.com. Robinhood's crypto division fined 30 million by New York financial regulator. Right? So Robinson's crypto division was fined 30 million for significant failures in areas of anti-money laundering and cybersecurity regulations. Wow. The 30 million penalty is NYDFS first crypto sector enforcement. Robinhood said last year that it was expecting to pay a 30 million settlement to NYDFS after a 2020 investigation focusing on anti-money laundering and cybersecurity related issues. All right. The regulator claimed Robinhood Crypto violated the law when, despite the alleged issues, it certified compliance with the department. Robinhood Crypto also allegedly breached consumer protection requirements when it failed to maintain a distinct and dedicated phone number on its website for consumer complaints. The fine is the latest in a slew of monetary penalties that regulators impose on Robinhood. In 2020, Robinhood paid around 65 million to settle an SEC probe over misleading customers. Also in 2021, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority or FINRA fined Robinhood 70 million for outages and misleading. Wow. That is a lot of fines over the in the span of from 2020 and wow. Right? Next is this news is coming from business2community.com. We have, I think, 3 news to cover regarding the Solana hack. And I just want to shout out to my friend Luis for giving me a heads up regarding this when I was about to do my news research for today, and I saw his message, and I quickly look it up, and this is a latest news right now. So I needed to cover this as soon as possible. So shout out again, Luis. Thank you for giving me a heads up. So the title here, Solana hack, 5 million plus exploit of phantom wallets and slope wallets. There are reports on crypto Twitter of Solana or Sol funds being drained from wallets connected to online apps rather than being on a ledger. So the CIA officer from Twitter or at officer underscore CIA, an independent crypto security researcher with 22,000 followers. Wow, that's a lot. Hopefully, other followers will also follow me. I'm not sure if I posted my Twitter link below, but you can find me with Jig Sanchez searching in the Twitter. So yeah. Followers advise unlinking browser-based Solana wallets from all internet sites and moving funds to a new wallet. So Solana wallets such as Phantom and Slope are commonly used as Chrome extensions, so just like MetaMask, within internet browsers as an alternative to hardware wallets. The current advice is to move funds to an offline cold storage wallet such as a Ledger, or at least create a new online software wallet not associated with any dApps online. The Solana price is currently down 8% in the past 24 hours, more than Bitcoin and Ethereum, losing the $40 level and dropping under $38 dollars at the time of writing. So yeah, at the time of writing is currently 38 and it lost around for the $40 level. So not sure if the current or the $40 is the support level that most analysts are looking at for Solana. So right, let's go to the next one. This is still the news for the Solana hack. This is from coindesk.com. Title, Solana wallets targeted in latest multi-million dollar hack. Right? So the Solana ecosystem appears to be the victim of crypto's latest exploit, with users reporting that their funds have been drained without their knowledge from major internet-connected hot wallets including Phantom, Slope, and Trust Wallet. Several Solana addresses have been linked to the attack so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, with those wallets draining at least 5 million worth of SOL, SPL, and other tokens from unsuspecting users. The attack is still ongoing. Wow, no. Hopefully the hackers stop doing these things right now. So a lot of people already lose hackers. Don't do such things as like this. Some users initially suspected the hack could be related to transactions on Magic Eden's Solana-based non-fungible token or NFT market, though the source of the exploit has yet to be confirmed. Magic Eden did not respond to CoinDesk's request for comment, but tweeted a warning for users to revoke permissions from its wallet to avoid being attacked. Alright, lastly, it is unclear at this point whether the vulnerability is limited to only to Solana blockchain, a Trust Wallet, and Slope Wallet. Users reported losing USDC on both Solana and Ethereum. So everyone must be careful with these wallets right now. Put all of your hard-earned cryptocurrency tokens, in other ways. We'll cover that in the next news. All right, this is our last news for today, and uh, another news for Solana Attack. This is from beincrypto.com. So Solana Attack, network suffers multi-million-dollar hack, wallets drain. So the Solana network suffered a multi-million-dollar attack on Wednesday as horrified users came to the realization that their wallets had been drained of all their funds. The hackers successfully drained around 6 million in a smash and grab raid on user wallets. The exact vector of the attack remains unknown, with speculation mounting to the cause of the vulnerability. From crypto Twitter user and crypto developer at 0xPubar had his own theory on the cause, linking the attack to a widespread private key compromise. So the private key has been compromised. According to Pubar, both Phantom and Slope wallets are affected, lending some credibility to Phantom's claim. Right? Lastly, we highlighted here how beincrypto.com shared on how we can, or users uh, uh, what they need to do to be able to secure their hard-earned cryptocurrency tokens. So in the absence of a firm explanation for the attack, Solana users have been advised to revoke access to everything and send all of their cryptocurrency to a hardware wallet, right? For users without a hardware wallet, sending all funds to a centralized custodial exchange is an acceptable temporary workaround, right? So for this one, I'm currently a user in Binance. I know Binance is centralized custodial exchange. If you want to register to Binance and put all of your hard-earned crypto currency in a centralized custodial wallet, if you don't have a hardware wallet, you can use Binance. I think there's others like sorry. There's other. You can Google it. But yeah, I'm using right now Binance, and referral code for there is in the description below. You can use that. If not, it's okay with me. And again, this is not financial advice. Don't quote me for everything regarding financial advice. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.